You like it? You like it? Looks good, huh?
You're jealous.
You like it. Alright. So Heather, we got some Chick-fil-A.
I know.
You feel what?
It's very good.
Happy nuts.
Let me stick to my Chick-fil-A.
Pretty good, huh?
It's very good.
Especially going down the right. Sorry.
Cheers, darling. Hi.
So, tonight was pretty lame. Yeah.
Daniel, I know you're jealous. Very jealous.
You like it. Woo. Same for you, Nick and Brian, even though, Nick, you don't like Chick-fil-A, but that's really too bad. Because this is some good stuff. I just spilled it in my Sprite. Woo! See the pattern? Woo! I'm jealous.
See the goodness? Ooh. See the sauce? Ooh.
See, here. Take it. Take a chicken. We need to do that thing where it's like, okay.
I can't put it in my mouth. I have food in my mouth already.
Well, shut it. Yeah, we're not lesbians, by the way. Just.
Yeah.
Ew.
We're cool. You're not, because you're jealous.
Peace.